Budapest and beyond! The most impressive thing about Margaret Island, for me at least, is the uniqueness, variety, and magnitude of the trees there. They are gargantuan and glorious. What I'll do briefly here is name off some of my favorites, and I'll list their GPS address in the description so you can find them too. The virgin sycamore. Nearly 40 meters tall and more than 6 meters in circumference. This tree is at least 190 years old and is one of the most expansive trees of its species in all of Europe. The 7-liter sycamore. This tree was destroyed by a World War II bomb strike. Then 7 trunks grew from the singular bombed-out stump. The Osage orange mulberry tree. This stunning freak of nature has been growing horizontally since the Great Flood of 1838. The tree is one of only a handful that survived the massive flood that destroyed nearly all the vegetation on the island. So obviously, it's carrying some baggage. The Caucasian wing walnut tree, a tree with many trunks. It originates from Caucasus and North Iran, and it can be found here in the park at the south end of the Japanese garden. The Virginian bald cypress. This 60-year-old tree has aerating roots that bend and twist above the soil. Its respiratory roots look like small columns above the ground. And finally, the most famous of the Margaret Island trees, the old oaks. Made famous for inspiring János Árni, one of the most famous Hungarian poets, to write about them with such passion and love. Every Hungarian student has read about these trees. So go visit this island of magnificent trees. There's even more stunning trees there than what I've listed.